Mr. Mint loves chopping down candy canes in his peppermint forest and making musical instruments and whistles out of them. But one day, after getting lunch from Plumpy's new food truck and having some peppermint bark for dessert, he was greeted by the gingerbread policemen of King Kandy's Cookie Patrol. But they came asking not for whistles, but for weapons. They told him that King Kandy and Queen Frostine warned them that Lord Licorice is planning to overthrow Candyland. That was a good enough reason for Mr. Mint, but he never made weapons before, so he was a little nervous. But when he looked at his axe, his nervousness went away. And he decided that if he can make an axe, he can make weapons too. After all, axes were weapons as well. Mr. Mint quickly got to work, using peppermints as ammo and candy canes as resources. With his axe, he carved candy canes into swords and cannons. And then he used the peppermints to load the cannons with. And with the power of the hot cocoa lake, he shaped the weapons and sharpened them to his desire. With his mad peppermint crafting skills, Mr. Mint threw an entire peppermint artillery together in record time. When the job was complete, King Kandy himself came to retrieve the weapons. He and the cookie cops had Mr. Mint's deepest gratitude for his services, but Mr. Mint felt like it wasn't enough. "Your Majesty," said Mr. Mint, "I may know how to make weapons now, but I still do not know how to use them." "Have no fear," said the king. "I do. The police and I will be training with these weapons in my castle immediately." "Really? Can you teach me too?" "Of course," said the king. "We could always use another warrior at our training grounds. We're going to need all the help we can get to stop Lord Licorice once and for all."